Hello everyone and welcome to this whistle stop video. We are going to take a peek into some of the school canteens we investigated and reflect on the range of canteen layouts, interior design and decoration, the food service systems in operation, and how waste, both food and non-food, is collected. Starting with the type of canteens, their layouts and internal decor, we can see from this first photo montage two main canteen types. A dedicated school canteen in the top left-hand corner and a temporary school canteen set up daily in school assembly halls or other communal spaces in the rest of the photos. We also see some very different table layouts, ranging from small 4-seater square tables, octagonal 8-seaters, right through to long 24-seater rectangular tables. Some have no table decoration, while others are pre-laid or contain some practical items such as jugs of water and cutlery. The decor also varies, with some canteens flooded with natural light and brightly decorated, whilst others are dark, lacking in natural light, cramped, and without any canteen-related decor. Next, let us see a montage of photos showing different food service systems we investigated. While some of our canteens serve children at their table, others require them to queue up at conventional food service lines like the one in the centre photo, some of which were found to be too high for the youngest children to see over. The children request their food based on the day's menu option or on what they have pre-ordered in our UK schools. They then carry their full tray away, collecting their drink in some schools and finding an available seat in the canteen. The vast majority of children in these schools, no matter how young, are expected to follow this process, which some observed struggling with: the waiter style of tray, balancing their tray whilst picking up their drink or cutlery, and moving around and finding a seat in the canteen. Next, we move on to seeing a selection of photos taken in our English and Scottish schools, who predominantly use food service lines and who have multiple menu options per day. Here you can see a range of images of plated up or pre-cut desserts, tray and or drink stations, pre-made and wrapped sandwiches, wraps, rolls, jelly and yogurt pots, salad and fresh bread bars, pre-cut fruit platters, and plated up hot meals or ready to serve options, such as side dishes, pasta bake, potatoes and vegetables, or soup. In other schools, mainly in Croatia and Serbia, children generally take their seats directly on entering the canteen and are served from serving carts by canteen staff. In these schools, the tables are often pre-laid with cutlery and some food and accompanying items such as soup, jugs of water, salad and bread selections. Finally, in the bottom photos here, you can see what happens in our Greek schools. The school meals generally arrive in insulated boxes and are distributed to children by their teachers, either in their classroom or in the computer lab or school assembly hall. The meals are served in black plastic containers with disposable cutlery. Finally, what happens to all the plates, cups, cutlery and waste, food and non-food, when children finish their lunch? Well, in some schools, there are waste stations and all children, no matter what their age, are expected to bring their plates, bowls, cutlery, cups, leftover food and other non-food waste to the waste station. Other schools employ canteen staff to supervise lunchtime and collect the dirty dishes and waste from the table. When we were in schools, we set up some bespoke waste stations to collect and separate all the plate waste, as you can see in some of these photos. In summary, school canteens vary considerably within and between countries in terms of their size, permanency, layout and decor, food service system, waste collection, and use of canteen staff. These differences were observed to impact the organisation and atmosphere within the school canteen, including how long the children spend eating and what and how much they eat. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you've enjoyed that whistle-stop tour.